Hey guys, Rachel here with WTI. These are completely opposite flavors, but they are both equally so delicious. These are the CLIF Builder protein bars. This one is the peanut butter chocolate, and this one is the chocolate mint. I love them both so much, and I love that they're both so incredibly different. These bars are super if you're on the go. They don't take up a lot of space, but they have a ton of protein in them, around 20 grams of protein. This one's the peanut butter chocolate. You can see there the peanut butter and chocolate right in the middle. It's covered with chocolate, and I think it's the perfect balance of chocolate and peanut butter. It's a tiny bit crunchy and absolutely delicious. This one is the mint chocolate chip. I think this one is my favorite out of all of the different types of flavors. You can see there it has little tiny crunchy pieces. So if you're looking for some new favorite protein bars, try these builder ones out, specifically the mint chocolate and peanut butter. I think they're super. I love that they have a ton of protein in them, and that's my point of view.